Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have an Avis padlock. It is the 100th anniversary edition. We're at Mirror Lake. It is a nice, beautiful day. Let's see if we can get this open real quick and show you around. Typical fashion, Avis full of spools. Unlike typical Avis, it is a Schlage keyway, which makes it easier. All right, there we go, pin 3. So pin 1, there we go. Set me in a spool. I don't think it's pin 1 though. I think I just tapped it in the back there. Yep. Make sure that's a pin. There we go, pin 4. Pin 3, almost open. Pin 5, there's our open. Alright, so like I said, typical Avis, full of spools, but that Schlage keyway made it super easy. It is guttable. When I get home, I will gut it and show what's inside. In the meantime, let me show you around real quick. This is Mirror Lake. It was a beautiful day. You can see that the water is just clear. Some fish jumping here and there. A few people out down that way. Here we are. That was an Avis 100th anniversary edition. I will be home soon to gut that for you. Alright, we're back home and it's all gutted. You can see that we have spools in chambers 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a very lightly serrated pin in chamber 1, as well as good bitting. So about a typical Avis lock. So there it is. That is our Avis Rock 100th anniversary edition, and that was Mirror Lake. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.